Well, hello guys, hi, it's another video, and this is actually, I don't know if you guys know, but Vidcon is happening like next week. It is super close, and I'm going. I've been going for a while, but I want to go see. Like, there's some new things every year happening. There's some new panels. This year and last year, I've been getting more into the creative stuff, the like creative track type videos. The tickets, because there's some really good panels. And one of the panels I want to go to is the ones with Roberto Blake. I feel like I need to work on better understanding like my strategy to turn this more into, I don't know, like a creative business, and then also helping others. And that guy's really good. He's very honest with it. And I also want to know, are you going? It would be great to see you. If I haven't met you yet, I like talking to new people. Been practicing more conversation stuff, and this is a good time to practice it. Going to speak with new people. There's different perspectives from other people around life, so it's always good to hear it. And I'm just excited to see, to learn, and to be around new people and old friends, and just, I don't know, see what happens. It's gonna be fun. So tell me, like, if you're going, you know, we can meet up and talk. There's gonna be a lot of things. There's going to be a lot of things happening there. There's going to be basically 3 different groups of people going: industry, community, and then creative, the creator track stuff. So there's going to be a lot of people, and it gets pretty crazy outside. So I'm kind of probably staying more this year in the creator track area, because like I feel like that's a good place to learn. They have a lot of good panels in that area, so that's kind of like where I'm at. And obviously industry would be great, because that's some of the top end info, but I'm not going to pay for that like yet. So yeah, tell me if you guys are going. I'm excited to go to meet new people. Reaching out to people on Twitter and like, hey, you going? It's like, yeah, okay, sure. I'm going to be on Instagram, you know, showing what's going on. So of course, if you want to know what's going on, follow me on Instagram. It's AdamUPNow. The link's in the description. It's on the screen. And what else? Who knows? Maybe I'll end up being in some random people's video.
We're not talking to each other. We're talking to our cameras.
Honestly, like, there's so many people gonna be there filming things. It's no doubt that's gonna happen. I don't think there's anything else. Hopefully I get to see some old friends. One of my friends saying they might be going. I'm like, even if they're not like in VidCon exactly doing that, but they're in the area, that'd be great. So, you know, never know. And Disneyland's like right there, so I'll probably end up going at some point. Thank you guys for watching. Please tell me if you're going, and if not, well, tell me what convention you've gone recently, or convention you want to go to, because I would like to know. There's a lot of conventions I don't know about, so that would be fun and good to know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. There's gonna be some stuff from there, VidCon and just different things. So yeah, I hope to see you there, and yeah, don't forget to be creative. So I'll see you guys. Bye. I did that in one take.